To make these King Oyster scallops, first of all we're going to need some King Oyster mushrooms. So these are ready available from Tesco's at the moment. It's a great alternative to meat and fish. We're going to be using the stalks of these. So we just take the top off, cut them down into scallop sort of sizes. Okay. Just take a layer of that skin slightly off, all the way around, just to get that same sort of texture as the scallop. There we have our scallops. Really these act as sponges, so we need to get so much flavour into these as possible. So how can we bring some sea flavour into those without introducing fish? So what I've got here is some seaweed sheets. So your sushi sheets, which we can just chop down slightly. I'm going to make a stock out of these. Those into a pan of water, bring that up to the boil. To accompany the scallops, I'm going to do a crushed pea with a little bit of garlic and fresh mint going into that as well. To start with, I've got 1 banana shallot, 2 cloves of garlic, which we're going to put into a pan just to soften up slightly. Dash of oil, shallots and garlic soften down nicely. We add frozen peas, still frozen, 150 grams going into there. Back onto the heat, and we're going to add 20 ml of white wine. That goes in. And then some lovely fresh mint. Three decent sprigs, a rough chop, go straight in there as well. And then I've got a splash of almond milk, just go in there as well, just to thin it down slightly. That goes straight into a food processor. Just give that a quick pulse. There you have crushed peas. Ready for your scallops. Our stock's been boiling away now. The flavour of that seaweed has gone into that. We get our mushrooms, put those into a bowl, and we just strain that stock through there, straight onto the mushrooms, just to get the mushrooms to start absorbing that flavour. Get the cling film those, and leave those in there for about 20 minutes. Those mushrooms been in there 20 minutes, bring them out of there, absorbed, lovely that fishy stock, drain those off onto there, and then we need to get a frying pan on, nice and hot. Put oil in there. Hear that sizzle when they go in. vegan butter. That just goes in there as well. The tops of the mushrooms, pop those in there just to finish those off. A little more of that fresh mint. Look at plating this up now. Lovely crushed peas. Lovely. Scallops on there. So those mushroom tops. Just around. And then we'll dress it with your lemon, or salt. And I have vegan scallops with crushed minted peas.